So guys, basically in this video I am going to show you how you can reset your Windows 10 PC. You have the choice, you can remove all of the files and you can keep the files. So first of all, press Windows I and go to the settings, or you can just simply go to the start menu and click on settings. Now you can type in reset, or you can just go to update and security and click on recovery. And now to reset, you have two options. So basically guys, at this step you can keep all of your necessary files or you can remove them. It's up to you. So thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video, and thank you so much.